While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. ATEEZ collab with Be First x ATEEZ Hush Hush music video. I've never watched Be First before, but I've heard good things from my chat. So without further ado, be sure to check out my Patreon. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. But let's check out ATEEZ in Be First Hush Hush music video. In 3, 2, 1. Oh damn. It's like a whole animated world. Hush Hush.
Who the hell are you? Be first. Who the hell are you?
I don't know.
Who the hell are you? Who the hell are you? Gotta wake up. 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 We gotta get it.
Damn, this is a lot of tension right now. Ooh. Woo! Jungho's vocals go crazy, bro. Woo! My God! Ah, it got me charged up. Your vocals got me charged up. God damn, cuz. Go again. Charge me up. Charge me up like an insurance money, bro. Woo! Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Ah, damn. Gotta wake up. Where are we going with it? Ooh. Ooh. Hey, yo. Hey. Let's get it. Let's go. Woo. Ooh. Okay. What a word. Man, he look like he aggressive as hell. He always been aggressive. I love aggressive Mingy. Let's go. Hey, yo. Hey. Woo! We getting into it, y'all. Hey. Ooh. Sorry, I was getting into it too. Let me see the dancer. Ooh, okay. Interesting. It was like really dark in there though. I couldn't see like every choreo moment, but it was still epic. And to be honest, this is my first time hearing of Be First. I might have to check out some of their stuff too now. Ooh. God damn.
Turn you on.
shit. Ooh, that part was fire right there. Oh my god. Bro, the outfits are fire too. Oof. Oh damn. Okay, here's the members of Be First. Ooh. Alright, ATEEZ. Oh shit, okay. Maddox was a part of it, Eden, okay. God damn, bro. Sorry. Sky High. Wait, who's Sky High? Bro, that was epic. Be me. The beat was crazy. The production was crazy. The collab was just so iconic, epic, right? Sky High is the CEO of Be First label and also produces. I see. Thanks for letting me know. My God, the energy that was built. It literally felt like I was gonna power up in Dragon Ball Z or some shit like that. Speaking of my outfit, by the way, literally wearing Dragon Ball Z with Dragon Ball Z put on earrings, fusion earrings, and then Dragon Ball Z, bro. Whew, that was a lot of energy. Alright, y'all, put comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon, because if this video gets blocked, then you know, oh, there's Legend. If this video gets blocked, then you'll see it on Patreon for free. Alright, y'all, till next time, everybody, peace out, bye bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.